My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back. So today I am going to do something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I've been wanting to try to curl my extensions. So we're going to do that for the first time. In one of my last videos, I showed you how I clip my hair extensions in. Well, today I am going to attempt to curl them. I hope it works. I hope they don't melt. They shouldn't. They're Remy hair, 100% human hair, so I've already got my extensions in. So I hear that by curling your extensions along with your natural hair that it helps blend it in better. So I've never tried it. And I also hear that straightening it along straightening your natural hair along with the extensions also helps everything to blend in better, I guess, because it melds them together so it looks seamless. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try it. Okay, so I've had this heating up for a while. I bought this at a thrift store. It's a Conair U-Curl, and it has several settings all the way from 310 Fahrenheit to 400 Fahrenheit. I have it set to the 300 Fahrenheit because I'm afraid to do it all the way to its highest setting. I'm afraid it'll melt the hair. When I used to curl my natural hair when it was dark with this, I used to have it all the way up. But I'm afraid it's gonna melt my hair. And these extensions aren't cheap. All right, so I'm gonna part my hair in the middle, in the back, and I'm just gonna pick pieces. I'm not going to do anything real like sectioning or anything like that. I just want to know if it's even going to work. So I'm going to grab a little section from back here along with my hair. See, there's where my hair ends, right there. See, there's that short piece right there. And then here's the extension. So let's see what happens. All right. I'm scared to melt it. All right, so I'm going to start probably from where my hair ends, and I'm just gonna wind it around, and I'm not gonna hold it too long because I'm afraid to melt it. Did I just turn it off? I think I did. Oh, there, now it's on. All right, I'm scared to leave it in too long. Let's just see what this does. Hey, there we go. But I do think it can handle a little bit more heat, so I'm gonna crank it up a teeny bit. Actually, I cranked it up all the way. I hope it doesn't melt it. All right, so let's grab this again. So this is gonna kind of give me like a beachy wave look, I'm hoping. Let's start from further up so that I can fit more hair on the wand. All right, let's try this. Kind of excited. Ooh, look at how pretty that is. I like it. Awesome. Okay, let's keep going. It didn't melt my hair, so I guess we're good. Let's grab another piece from a little higher up. This is mostly my natural hair. Nice. Awesome. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna speed it up. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just keep doing that all over my hair. And so I'm just gonna fast forward this so that it's not so long of a video, okay? So yeah, let's do this. I like it. What do you think? I like it so far. I didn't know what I was going to do with this front part because I didn't feel like heating up my 2-inch barrel one. So I thought, let me see what I can do with just this one wand. But look at it. It's gorge. Ooh, I'm loving it. On to the other side now. Wow. So now on this side, I wrapped all of these going this way, going backwards. So now on this side, I'm gonna wrap going backwards that way. So it's a little awkward for me going this way. The cord is all up in my grill. It's all up in my face. But we can do it. I'm really excited about this. This is awesome. The reason I'm trying it out now is because if I do go to LA for that documentary, I wanted to wear my hair extensions and I wanted to curl them, but I didn't want to get over there and have this in mind and then it not look the way I envisioned it. So I wanted to do a couple test runs here before I take off to LA. So far, I'm loving it. If you don't know what I'm talking about the documentary Gray is the New Blonde. I may be interviewed for that. So if I end up going to LA, I wanted to look my best on camera for their cameras. Was a dud. Try it again. I knew it was gonna be, even when I was winding it, it was winding up weird. Stay there. Okay. It's not staying up here, it keeps sliding down. I want the curls to start off big and then small. Come on now. Cooperate. Eek. I don't want to hold it with my nail. I'm gonna burn my nail. I'm going to curl these going inward towards my face. Why not? Last piece, yay! I think, yeah. I think I'm gonna combine all this hair and do it inwards. Yay! So yay, I finished. And in real time, it took about 26 minutes. But of course, I fast forwarded this, but this is what it's looking like. Cute. I haven't run my fingers through it yet. So I'll show you what it looks like from behind. Okay, now I'm gonna run my fingers through it to see how it looks. Let me stand up so you can see what it's looking like. Yeah, it's looking so pretty. Wow, and I'm sure the curls are gonna relax throughout the day. So yeah, I love it. And from what I'm hearing from people that are curling their extensions, they usually just have to curl them one time and then the curl kind of stays for probably a couple weeks. The curl relaxes a little bit, but then it looks even more like a real soft beachy wave look. So yeah, maybe I won't have to curl them again before I go to LA. Maybe I can just wear them like the soft beachy wave that they're gonna turn into, I think. So yeah, this is it. I like it. Let me know down below what you think. If you liked it better straight or if you like them curled. I prefer this, of course. I feel like the girl on Housewives of Beverly Hills, what's her name, Erica Jane, with the vavoom type look. Of course, I'm not quite as glamorous as her, but that's what this hair makes me feel like. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye. I just wanted to show you what it was like to curl extensions, and I wanted to do it for the first time on camera with y'all so y'all could see my very first time, whether it was gonna be a fail and the hair was gonna melt, or whether it was gonna be in what I think a success. Yay! I give it 2 thumbs up. I love it. I love it. I love my hair. I can't wait till my real hair grows this long again. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. And don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the like button if you liked it. And if you have aunts or moms or anybody that's my age, 52 years old or close to my age or older, steer them to my channel, please. Especially if you're an older Latina woman like me, because I know that there are not a lot of channels out there for more mature Latina women like me. When I started this channel, I typed in makeup for mature Latina women. There were none. There were a few young Latinas out there in their 20s, but I thought there are no older Latinas that have a channel dedicated in English with English-speaking Latinas, dedicated to learning new tips and tricks about beauty and skin and hair and everything. So I thought, I'm gonna try my hand at it. And so yeah, don't forget to and you don't have to be Latina. That's not what I mean at all. What I mean is our hair is a little different. Our texture of our hair, our complexion is different. So especially if you're Latina and you have an aunt or an older sister or a mom that wants to learn new tips or watch me fumble my way through learning new tips and tricks, definitely steer them to my channel. All right, I'm trying to grow this channel, so please help me reach 10,000 subscribers. I'm at 6,040 something. Let's get to 10,000, please. I'm gonna do a big giveaway as soon as I do. Alrighty guys, I love you. Bye. Mwah.
watching